Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to make an egg for the majboos chicken or majboos. Yeah. So this is Helen anymore. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Wanna know how I make it? Let's go! The ingredients, we just need 4 eggs. We're going to put water and then we're going to cook it. Then after we have cooked it, we're going to remove the hot water and then we're going to put it with the cold one, and then we're going to peel the egg. Then we put it in a bowl and then we put yellow saffron and roast water together, mix it, and then just put it on the egg and let it get yellow. And then after that, we're going to fry the egg. So simple as that. So this is the pan. Put cooking oil and then I fry it. So just make it a little bit brown. And then just roll it on the cooking oil. As you can see, it's almost done. Just don't let it get burned. It's just a little bit golden brown. It's like that. And then when it's done, we're going to put it on the top of the chicken or in the rice. So that's it. It's done. So this is a majboos diyai or majboos chicken. So it's now ready to serve. So thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.